Okay, welcome back guys. In this video we are going to still continue doing some basic shapes and the secondary details you can say. So let's do this part. Let's continue doing this part. In the last video I did something wrong. I just forgot something. Let's see this shape here. You can see this shape, this base and this base is not the same here. So there is a step here. So we had put some loops for that, but I forgot to select that face. So let's use this loop and let's move this towards here somewhere, and I don't need this area anymore. So let's delete those faces like this. Okay, let's extrude these three edges and let's give it offset, okay, to match with that that first offset there. And now let's start doing this. Let's go to target world and merge this like this, and let's merge this one. Okay, now it's good. Now let's select these three edges, extrude them and move and merge here. Select merge to center, select merge to center. Let's select this loop here till this area. Now let's extrude, move and again connect here. So again let's go to target world, target it. Sometimes it's hard to do in those situations. Again vertex merge to center is good. To center. Okay, let's bring the second the hidden piece. So let's press Ctrl 1. It was in isolate mode, so press Ctrl 1 to get out of the isolate mode. And here you can see this little step of this piece. So this step, so in order to do that, now it's like flat. We need to extrude this face and extrude this side, so that we get that step there like this somewhere here. Okay, good. So we got that shape. Still need to be furnished, but for now it's okay. And okay, so I'll come back to this area later. So let's go to a different place. So let's do this area a bit. So if you see this area, this shape you can see. So now my bevel shape is like going straight here, and I think this bevel shape should be, let's select all these faces. It should be scaled. Let's just select something like this. So this bevel is less than this side bevel. So make sure got this shape right, and this line you can see we need to move this. So I just need to move this like this in order to get that. I think I just need to bring those faces forward a little bit, and like this, and then let's do this shape here. So let's move something like this. Okay, and okay, let's adjust this center, these two faces, scale them. Okay, now I'm going to select every faces from here, then let's extrude and offset. So I want a little bit offset here. Let's move a little bit like this. Okay, and I think this piece should down a little bit, so I can see the round shape there like this. I could have beveled this corner as well to get that same bevel here like this. So let's select that loop and this continue loop. I think this loop as well somewhere here. Let's bevel it So let's bevel and get the same bevel distance there. So you can see I'm slowly going towards the detailing, and yeah, this is good. Now here you can see I have unnecessary loops coming from here, so I can do one thing. Let's again use the target weld tool to bring this vertex and merge here. Do the same thing here. Oh sorry, let's make sure. Okay, something like this. I think this corner should go, so I need to have one loop somewhere here. Okay, so let's do the same thing here as well. So let's delete this loop here, this straight loops going there, so I don't need this loop. So let's delete this, and make sure you don't have n-sided face. Here I have n-sided face. So for this I'm going to take the multi-cut, hold shift right mouse, you'll get this, or go to mesh tools, you'll find this here, multi-cut. And here just I need to connect this vertex to somewhere here so that it divides the n-sided to a quad and a triangle. So again, there is no specific reason. Okay, so just avoid n-sided face, because n-sided face is like a not connected piece, or somewhere like this. This face is n-sided face, so I'm going to connect here somewhere. So I think that's fine for now. Now I'm going to extract this whole top thing. You can see this divide thing here. I'm going to extract the whole thing. So let's extract. So I'm extracting because of because to create that panel loop or panel details. So let's select all the pieces there and go to edit mesh and extract. So this is my workflow to create this kind of machinery thing. So first make the whole continuous shape, then just extract, and then you'll get these loops. And oh sorry, I just forgot to select this loop. You can see this is one piece. So let's select, and don't forget to select this thing. You can hold tab when you can just drag your left mouse to select. It's very easy. So I'm going to select this and let's extract. So now I have one piece here. So I can now Control 1 to isolate. I can do one thing. Let's select the whole border loop there, and let's extrude that loop to bring the thickness. So let's put some thickness there, something like this. I don't like the position of these two vertices, so let's scale them something like this. It should be straight. Okay, so let's go back here and let's do the same thing here. Let's select the whole loop and extrude. Go to thickness and give some thickness. And now if you press 3, let's select both of them and press 3. You can see the partition there. Obviously we need to put some supporting loops to refining the shapes. Now they are just melting or melted looking. So now you can see we are going towards So my plan is to make the gun as much as detailed in Maya here, and obviously we are going to do certain things in ZBrush, but my plan is to make as much as details here. So let's stop this video here, and in the next video we are going to continue doing the details.